y'all, so today I will be straightening my hair with this new DNA Hair Tools Styling Comb Pro. It comes in this really cute pouch, and this is what it looks like inside. Oh, this color is everything. Look at how cute. Alright, Sean, this tool does have adjustable temperature right here. The lowest is 250 and the highest is 450. Personally going to do my hair right now on 350 because I don't want to apply too much heat to my hair since it is a little wet still. Not too wet though. So while that gets hot, I recommend brushing through your hair to prevent it from pulling while you're straightening it, okay? Alright, so this hasn't even been connected for 5 minutes and it's already pretty hot. I went ahead and tested it out on this bottom part of my hair, and the bristles aren't even hot, so you can actually bring this part to your scalp without it burning you, and it can actually get your little baby hairs. So now I love how this is for all hair types, whether your hair is thick, whether your hair is thin, whether your hair is curly. And this is just going over it once, so I'm not even putting too much heat on my hair. It's actually at 350, and I believe that I can even still achieve this look on 250. I love how you can use the Styling Comb Pro to create some soft blowouts or some big curls quick and effortlessly. I love how it gives me that salon style, and I love how soft it left my hair.